Hello friends, it's Amber. I am finally back to my channel with another video to share with you. My husband and I were on a 2-week vacation. I cannot remember the last time, or actually I don't think I've ever taken a 2-week vacation, but I was able to save up all my vacation time from my corporate job, and we went to California and it was amazing. I had so much fun. I've been wanting to take a beach vacation for so long. And so we went there for about a week, and then we just relaxed, and I took 2 full weeks off, and I've just been trying to get my life together ever since. I just appreciate your support and patience so much. Like I said, we went to Southern California just to relax. We didn't have any other plans, we ate good. We went to the beach a bunch. We stayed in the most beautiful beach house in Carlsbad, California. It was so much fun, and I'm just happy to be back filming, and I cannot wait to share this project with you. It's actually made by my sister Bree. She made 2 fall waterfall albums and a set of cards, and so she's going to be the one showing you here, but of course, you know, she's too shy to talk, so I'm going to be doing the voiceover. But I hope you enjoy this. We do have tutorials on these beautiful waterfall albums. She used the gorgeous Prima Hello Pink Autumn collection, and these measure 4x4, perfect for Instagram pictures. They're just so beautiful, and she did such a great job. You can make a bunch of these like in a Christmas theme and hand them out for Christmas, or like a pre-Christmas gift. You can do these for like little favors at Thanksgiving and make autumn style ones like Bree did. But she just did a great job, and then she ties it together with this gorgeous seam binding from MyScrapCabin on Etsy. So I'll have the tutorial for these linked below, along with the seam binding shop that we get that from. But here's the first one that she did, and I think it's so pretty. And then she also did another one. So Bree also made a beautiful set of cards using the 3x4 cut aparts. Also, that comes with like a 3x4 pad of paper that have all these gorgeous designs. And she just took this and made a border of rose gold cardstock that she got at Michael's on top of the cream card base, and layered some of the paper behind it. And I think these turned out so beautiful. And the inside is just gorgeous. I love how she layered it to make it have like a rose gold kind of copper border. And these are A2 size, and they each come with an envelope as well. But I just think these are so beautiful and simple, yet really creative. I also have some card videos on my channel that I can link, where I show you how you can make a bunch of cards with just the 3x4 cut aparts and using all of the elements in the collection. So these again are so pretty, using that beautiful Prima paper, and I think Bree just did such a great job on these.